Here we are, Inside Sportsman's, and today we're talking about terminal tackle, the end of the line. Now what we're talking about today are swivels. You swivel to allow tying of two ends, but as a first-time angler, the swivels have a snap. That snap, easy peasy for lure interchange. So you're not having to retie over and over and over and over again. That can be frustrating on a small one. I mean, if you had to tie the same knot over again for a dozen times. The next order of business here for terminal tackle is split shot, or just weights in general. Your most common you're gonna find are split shots, but split shots aren't the only weights in existence. One weight that's good for bottom fishing is egg sinkers. The name is very literal, bullet weight, and just like that, it looks like a bullet. You've got what are called bass casters, so it's a weight with wire on it. More integral parts of beginner fishing is bobbers. So bobbers come in all different shapes and sizes also. So you've got spring-loaded types, slip floats, variation of a slip float, and then a water bobber slip float, and then your standard slip float. And finally, we got the business, which are the hooks. Now I've covered hooks in the hook video. They come pre-rigged, massive hooks, small hooks. They come in reds, they come in silvers. You can buy them in neon colors, even treble hooks, large, massive treble hooks. When I was a kid, we always started with Snell hooks. My old man started me with Snell bait holder hooks. Now, as mentioned in the hook video, these are the hooks with the barbs and the shank. And we'll talk about that along with all this other stuff during our techniques of rigging.